Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. Come join me in my southern kitchen as we say goodbye to summer and hello to fall. Welcome to my baking series. It's the fall season, and you know what that means. Pumpkin, sweet potato, apple, maple, Halloween, and my favorite, baking season. I am looking forward to sharing with y'all some pumpkin, sweet potato, apple, maple, and Halloween recipes here on my baking series. And also check out my pumpkin, sweet potato, apple, and Halloween recipe playlist I have done in the past. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. And also my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. Your kitchen's gonna smell like the fall. So pull on your apron, grab your pumpkin, sweet potato, apple, maple syrup, and your pumpkin pie spice sugar, because we're about to bake some fall magic in my southern kitchen. Let the fall baking begin. See you soon. Much love.